Hello Windows 10 users. If you've been struggling with your headset mic not working or your headphones not being detected when plugged in, you're in the right place. In this video, we've got 7 methods to help you get your audio back on track. Now method 1 is enabling microphone access. Let's start with method 1. Step 1 is go to Windows settings. Click on the Windows icon and go to settings. Like so. Step 2 is access the microphone settings. Next, head to the privacy and security, then microphone. Go over here, privacy, and microphone, and allow apps to access your microphone, which is for step 3. We can go scroll down, and you can see here the allow desktop apps to access your microphone is on. Now let's move on to method 2, which is enabling the headset. So step 1 is open control panel. Search for control panel and open it. Step 2, access the sound settings. In the control panel, set the view to large icons and click on sound. So view by large icons and click on sound. Like so. Step 3, enable the headset. Find your headset in the list, open it, and click enable on this device. So for example here, I have my speakers, click on properties, and use this device and enable. Click OK, click OK. So for method 3, we need to reinstall our microphone. For method 3, we'll be visiting the device manager. So step 1 is open the device manager. Over here, device manager, click open. Step 2 is uninstall the microphone. Under audio inputs and outputs, uninstall your microphone. So for example here, there's a microphone. Let's click uninstall. Like so. Step 3 is scan for hardware changes. Afterward, click action and scan for hardware changes, then restart your computer. So action, scan for hardware changes. There we go, and we can just restart our computer. For method 4, we need to update our microphone drivers. So let's move on to method 4. So again, open up device manager. Like so. Under the audio inputs and outputs, right click and update your microphone drivers. So over here, microphone, update the driver, search automatically for drivers, and then click close, and close. Method 5, troubleshooting recording audio. So method 5 involves troubleshooting audio issues. Step 1, access Windows settings. Let's go over here, go to settings again, click enter, like so. Go to settings and find troubleshoot under the systems tab. So let's click on systems. Let's go down. And find about. So over here, you can just type in troubleshoot settings. There we go. And we can just use additional troubleshooters. Scroll down, and we have speech or recording audio, like so, and run the troubleshooter. So for method 6, we need to disable automatic device installation. For method 6, we'll work with device installation settings. So step 1 is access the Windows settings again. Windows. So let's go to settings in the systems tab. So let's go to systems and let's click on about. And then let's scroll down, and then we can go to step 2, which is disable device installation. So under device installation settings, choose no and apply the changes. So advanced system settings, like so. Then hardware, device installation changes, click on no, and then save your changes. Method 7 is running command prompt. So step 1 is to run CMD as administrator. search for CMD, right click, and run as administrator, like so. Step 2 is to execute the commands. So type GPU update, press enter. Or then CLS, press enter. Then finally type in check disk C plus, so, and then press enter. There you have it, Windows 10 users. 7 methods to troubleshoot and fix the headset mic not working issue. We hope one of these solutions did the trick for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to crystal clear audio in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system.